So before moving to the course, I'm assuming that you know the fundamentals of SQL and pure SQL. So for SQL, you just need to know the basic select statements on writing the SQL queries using the where clause and using the and then joining it using the group by, and those basic things I'm assuming. And even the pure SQL part, you need to know the basic DML statements like insert, update, delete. And yeah, that's the basic things I'm assuming. And further things, if you have a good knowledge on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it's very good, and it's not covering much here in this course. Only the SQL and PLSQL will be diving much here, and it's good to have. If you know the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can work on more projects and you can develop a lot of customization in Oracle Apex. By default, Oracle Apex has the built-in design, and all this designed using this HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If you want to customize more, it's good to have this knowledge.